In 1816, a winter unlike any other gripped the world. Farms were buried under snow, rivers froze solid. This was the year without summer, a tale of nature's fury. The cause? A volcanic eruption in Indonesia. Mount Tambora spewed ash into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging Earth into a deep chill. From Europe to North America, crops failed, famine spread. People struggled to survive as temperatures plummeted far below normal. Communities banded together, sharing scarce resources. Innovative farming techniques emerged as people adapted to harsh conditions. Artists and writers captured the haunting beauty and despair. Mary Shelley wrote Frankenstein during a dark, stormy summer in Switzerland. Scientists began studying weather patterns, leading to early climate science. Understanding the impact of volcanic eruptions on global weather patterns. The economic fallout was severe. Food prices soared, leading to social unrest and migration. Governments grappled with the crisis. This event reshaped agriculture and industry. It marked a turning point in understanding how natural disasters can profoundly affect human societies. The year without summer reminds us of nature's power and the resilience of humanity. It teaches us the importance of preparedness for future climate challenges. In May 1816, frost destroyed crops across New England, forcing farmers into despair. Livestock perished, and people struggled to find food, highlighting the fragility of agricultural systems. The unusual weather led to widespread panic and migration. Some families abandoned their farms and moved westward, seeking better conditions and fresh starts amid the turmoil. Throughout Europe, the cold spell caused severe famine and social unrest. Riots erupted in France, Spain, and Switzerland, driven by desperation and the scarcity of food. In China, unusual cold and rain devastated rice harvests, leading to starvation and death for many. The weather anomalies extended globally, affecting diverse cultures and economies. Scientists later discovered that the freeze was caused by volcanic eruptions, primarily Mount Tambora, in Indonesia. Ash clouds blocked sunlight, cooling the Earth's surface significantly. Mount Tambora's eruption was one of the largest in recorded history, ejecting massive amounts of ash into the atmosphere. This event had far-reaching impacts, altering weather patterns worldwide. Despite the global crisis, the year without summer inspired creativity. Mary Shelley wrote Frankenstein during this period, reflecting the mood of fear and uncertainty prevalent then. Artists like J.M.W. Turner captured the dramatic sunsets and weather effects in their paintings. These works remain vivid reminders of the strange and beautiful skies of that year. The climate change of 1816 sparked early discussions on the link between volcanic activity and global weather. Today, scientists continue studying these connections for better predictions. As the world faced unprecedented challenges in 1816, communities developed innovative ways to cope. Some farmers experimented with new crop varieties resistant to cold. Governments responded with emergency measures, distributing food supplies and providing relief to affected areas. International cooperation began to emerge in managing such crises. The year without summer demonstrated how interconnected our world is. Natural disasters can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just local populations but entire continents. While the immediate effects were devastating, the long-term impact included advances in meteorology and climatology. Scientists gained valuable insights into how volcanoes influence weather patterns. The unusual weather patterns of 1816 also led to improvements in agricultural practices. Farmers learned to adapt by diversifying crops and improving soil management techniques. In literature, the year without summer inspired writers to explore themes of survival and adaptation. Authors used the harsh conditions as metaphors for human struggles against nature. The 1816 freeze serves as a stark reminder of how vulnerable societies are to climate extremes. Understanding past events helps us prepare for potential future disasters. Today, the study of historical climate events continues to inform modern climate science. Researchers analyze past data to predict and mitigate the effects of current and future climate changes. The Year Without Summer also highlights the importance of international cooperation in addressing global issues. Countries must work together to share knowledge and resources. From the ashes of disaster came new technologies and innovations. In response to the freeze, inventors created new tools and methods to improve farming and weather prediction. The freeze of 1816 shows that while nature can be unpredictable, human ingenuity can overcome even the harshest conditions. Communities found ways to survive and thrive despite the adversity. The Year Without Summer taught us the value of resilience and adaptation. People learned to adapt to changing circumstances, developing skills and strategies to cope with extreme weather. In art, the unusual weather inspired new styles and themes. Artists captured the strange beauty of the period, creating works that reflect the mood of the times and the power of nature. The freeze of 1816 remains a critical event in climate history. 1. Studying it offers insights into how sudden environmental changes can affect societies globally, urging us to prepare and adapt. Today, the lessons from the Year Without Summer are more relevant than ever. As we face ongoing climate challenges, understanding historical events provides valuable context for present-day actions. In the aftermath of Tambora's eruption, farmers faced unprecedented challenges. Crops failed across continents, leading to famine and economic hardship. Communities struggled to adapt to the unpredictable weather patterns. Scientists today study the volcanic ash layers from 1816 to understand past climates. These studies help predict future impacts of climate change on agriculture and weather systems, offering vital insights for global food security. The extreme weather events of 1816 underscored the vulnerability of human societies to climate shifts. Understanding these historical impacts is crucial for preparing communities against potential future climatic anomalies. While the Year Without Summer was a natural disaster, its lessons inform modern efforts to mitigate climate risks. By studying past climatic disruptions, we can better prepare for and adapt to future environmental challenges. The year 1816, known as the Year Without Summer, demonstrated the profound impact of natural disasters on global society. Extreme weather disrupted agriculture, economies, and lives worldwide. Though distant in time, the effects of 1816 echo in today's climate challenges. Understanding past events helps us prepare for future environmental shifts and their societal impacts. From volcanic eruptions to changing climates, nature's power remains a constant reminder of our planet's dynamic and unpredictable forces. In the face of such unpredictability, proactive measures like sustainable practices and resilient infrastructure are essential for future generations. By learning from history, we can develop strategies to mitigate and adapt to environmental changes, ensuring a sustainable future for all. Understanding the Year Without Summer teaches us that every small action counts towards protecting our environment and securing a stable future. As we reflect on the past, let us embrace innovation and collaboration to address the challenges posed by our changing world. The lessons from 1816 remind us of the importance of resilience and adaptation in facing the uncertainties of climate change. By studying historical events like the Year Without Summer, we gain insights into the potential impacts of current environmental trends. Let us carry forward the knowledge from 1816 to guide our actions today, striving for a balanced coexistence with our ever-changing planet. Together, we can build a resilient and sustainable future, drawing inspiration from history to shape a brighter tomorrow for our world.